This short video is going to show you how to delete activities. The best and most safe way to delete activities is to use the sequence number where possible. So if I were to use iImport, meaning I have a spreadsheet of sequence numbers I want to delete, it might look like this. Here's my bad activities. I'm going to open it up. I've gotten this spreadsheet and you can see there's some sequence numbers on there I want to delete. So I'm going to grab that one, hit open. Now we're going to use the famous delete function of the data management suite. I have one column available, my sequence, and I'm going to map that to activity sequence, of course. So right there, and then notice it's match on. Everything's going to be match on when you're deleting, right? Because that's the only reason we use it. So once I've done that, I hit save, and it's going to go and say, all right, so we're going to take every one of those sequence numbers and we're going to match them up to an activity and we're going to delete them. So I would hit submit and it would go delete those. Alternatively, maybe you have an IQA and you want to use iUpdate. This is pretty easy. So I've got this IQA here, and you can see that really when I run it, it's the activities I want to delete, and those are the sequences. Pro tip, whenever you're using uh, iUpdate to delete things, it is always a really good idea to tick this little checkbox here because that really will help with performance reasons and whatnot due to the API. So we hit save. Those are my activities to delete. Back to iDMS. We're going to use iUpdate. I'm going to go find that IQA that I made that has all my sequence numbers in it. And we'll go right here to training. And there it is, activities to delete. And we hit select. We're going to go back to delete. And now we're going to choose that sequence field. And we're going to once again map it to activity sequence. Notice the match on, hit save. Now, if I hit submit, it's going to go delete those activities. So pretty straightforward. Do be careful. You don't want to delete financial activities that link back to trans records and whatnot. Gift activities would be a really bad thing to delete because those are going to corrupt your fundraising reports. So ultimately, you really only want to be deleting activities that you've created custom outside of, say, non-standard iMIS activities, maybe call activities or things like that. Hope that helps.